Welcome in trigonometrical equation, trigonometry part 36. In this part, we solve few more problems based on trigonometrical equation. Let us take first equation in this part. Tan theta plus sec theta. Solve. Tan theta sec theta equal to root 3. It is written for the values of theta, for the values of theta between 0 and 2 pi, 0 degree and 2 pi, 360 degree. See, this is the question. Solve tan theta plus sec theta equal to root 3 for the values of theta between 0 degree and 2 pi. We have to find the values of theta. That will gives you general solution. Out of those, we choose two values which lies between 0 and 2 pi, and those two will be considered as answer. Okay, so let us solve it. Given, what is given? Tan theta given, means you can write sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta equal to root 3. Is not it? Now if you take LCM, you will get sin theta plus 1 equal to root 3 cos theta. Okay, now you can write it sin theta minus root 3 cos theta equal to minus 1. Okay, or you can write it root 3 cos theta, root 3 cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1. It's not it. Take here one minus sign common, then this will become plus, this will become minus, equal to that side plus. You should always keep in your mind, if an equation, any trigonometrical equation is of this type, a cos theta plus b sin theta, anywhere, if your trigonometrical equation is a cos theta plus b sin theta type, then always dividing both sides by root under a square plus b square. अगर कहीं भी a cos थीटा प्लस b sin थीटा टाइप का अगर त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन है तो दोनों साइड आप डिवाइड कर दीजिएगा रूट अंडर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर से. तो इट इज ऑल्सो सेम टाइप. दिस इज ऑफ द टाइप a cos थीटा प्लस b sin थीटा. हियर b इज माइनस 1. यू कैन राइट इट प्लस माइनस 1 माइनस sin थीटा और माइनस 1 sin थीटा. Is not it? So it is of the type a cos theta plus b sin theta. So here dividing both sides by root under a square plus b square. What is root under a square plus b square? A square means root 3 square plus b square means b is here minus 1 square. This side also root under root 3 square plus minus 1 square. Thus, then what will happen? You see, it is root 3 square means 3 plus 1 4 root means 2. So this becomes root 3 by 2 cos theta minus this is 2, so it is 1 by 2 sin theta equal to 1 by 2. आप एक स्टेप और देखिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि रूट अंडर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर से दोनों साइड डिवाइड करने से क्या बेनिफिट होता है. ये बात आप समझ गए. नाउ सी, this can be considered as cos 60. इसको आप cos 60 लिख सकते, नहीं ये cos 30 है, cos 30 है ना, ये √3/2, √3/2 is cos 30 degree, is not it? into cos theta, and minus half is sin 30 degree into sin theta equal to 1/2. देखिए अब ये हो गया cos A इंटू cos B, या इसको ए लीजिए इसको ए लीजिए, एक ही बात है, cos A इंटू cos B माइनस sin A इंटू sin B, तो क्या लिख सकते हैं, cos A प्लस B, cos A इंटू cos B माइनस sin A इंटू sin B, cos A प्लस B. So this side it becomes cos A plus B means theta plus pi/6 equal to 1/2. In this way your this minus sign has been converted into product. तो इसीलिए जब भी a cos थीटा प्लस b sin थीटा टाइप का रहेगा तो दोनों साइड आप √a² प्लस b² से डिवाइड कर दीजिएगा, तो इस तरह से आपका फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. एक प्रोसेस है सॉल्व करने का, ठीक है. सो नाउ इट इज कमिंग ऑफ द टाइप cos थीटा इक्वल टू cos अल्फा. हाफ कैन बी रिटन एज cos कितना डिग्री होता है, हाफ 60 डिग्री, cos 60 डिग्री इज हाफ. 60 डिग्री को रेडियन में लिखेंगे तो pi/3. सो नाउ इट बिकम्स ऑफ द टाइप cos थीटा इक्वल टू cos अल्फा. तो cos थीटा इक्वल टू cos अल्फा होने से क्या होता है सॉल्यूशन, cos थीटा इक्वल टू cos अल्फा, देन थीटा इक्वल टू 2n pi plus minus alpha. This implies theta means here this, theta means here theta plus pi/6, this is theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha means here this pi/3. ये हो गया आपका. So this implies theta equal to 2n pi plus minus pi/3, and this pi/6 will come this side. Take it equation number 1. These are the values of theta, where once we take plus then we take minus. Here we will not leave here as an answer because we have to take the particular values of theta between 0 degree and 2 pi. So we find some values and we see which values are coming between 0 and 2 pi. Let us simplify one more step. Taking plus sign, taking positive sign, then what will be, theta equal to 2n pi plus pi/3 minus pi/6. So this becomes 2n pi, LCM will be 6, here it is 2 pi minus pi/6. This is the one answer. Taking negative sign, by taking negative sign, what will be, theta equal to 2n pi, take minus sign, minus pi/3 minus pi/6. So it will come 2n pi minus common. If you take minus common, this will become plus. The plus, then LCM 6, here it will be 2 pi plus pi. If you take minus common, this become pi/3 plus pi/6. So LCM 6, here it is 2 pi plus pi means 3 pi/6. 3 pi/6 means pi/2, is not it? 3 pi/6, so pi/2. So this is another answer. So take 2 and 3. From second and third, values of theta is 2n pi plus pi by 6, and second one is 2n pi minus pi by 2, where n is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. This is the answer. Now our work is not over, because we have to take the values of theta between 0 and 2 pi. Is the general solution, general answer. Okay. Now what we have to do after getting the general answer? Now for go on taking n equal to 0 first take. What will be the values of theta? N equal to 0, then what will come? Pi by 6. From here n equal to 0 minus pi by 2. Okay. Again take n equal to 1, then what will come theta? 1. Then it is 2 pi. 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 6, and from here it is 1, so 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 2. These answers will come. For n equal to 2, what answers will come? 2, n is 2, so 4, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus pi means 25 pi by 6, and here what will come? 2, so 4 2 is 8, 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 2. Okay, this side plus coming, positive coming. Now take minus 1, what will be theta? Take here minus 1, so it is minus 2, minus 12 pi plus pi, so what will be? Minus 11 pi by 6, and here take minus 1, then minus 2 means minus 4 pi minus pi, minus 5 pi. In this way, take n equal to minus 2 and see what is coming. Minus 2 means minus 4, minus 24 pi plus pi means minus 23 pi. Theta equal to minus 23 pi by 6, and here minus 2, then minus 4 into 2, minus 8 pi minus pi. This will come. Okay, so in this way these are the answer. If we go on substituting the value of value of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and similarly if you go on substituting n equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, these values will come. So these all are answers, but you have to take the values of theta lies between 0 degree and 2 pi. So which are the values? Therefore required solutions are, you have to take those solution which lies between 0 degree and 2 pi. So which are lies between 0 degree and 2 pi? This is negative, not lies between 0 and 2 pi. This one lies here, no, these two both are beyond 2 pi. Here these are less than 0, so is the only angle. So required solution not r not required, is pi by 6. Theta equal to pi by 6 is the only one value coming between 0 and 2 pi. What answer is there? 3 pi by 2. One answer is there. For n equal to 1, 13 pi by 6 and 3 pi by 2. Okay, this is also one answer. See, we have to take the values between 0 and 2 pi. So this is also between 0 and 2 pi. So why this is also coming answer. Understand? ये छूट जा रहा था. ये 3 pi by 2 कितना है? ये 270 है ना, ये 360 है ना. हम ये कंफ्यूजन में थे. 180 दिमाग में आ रहा है. 2 pi मीन्स 360. 0 और 360 के बीच में लेना है ना. 0 और 360 के बीच में ये एक एंगल है, ये एक एंगल है, बाकी कोई नहीं है. नहीं, ठीक है. तो ये एक आंसर है, ये एक आंसर है. 3 pi by 2. दीज आर दी. तब आर ठीक है, तब तो ठीक ही है आर. तो दीज आर दी टू आंसर्स कमिंग 0 डिग्री एंड 2 pi. तो आर दी आवर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. क्वेश्चन वाज to find the values of theta between 0 degree and 2 pi. So one answer is 5 by 6, one is 3 pi by 2. I hope you have understand. Let us see one more problem. Let us see few more problems. One more problems at least take in this video. Second problem take. Solve 10x tan 2x plus 10 3x equal to 0. This. Let us note down this problem. Question is solve 10x plus 10 2x plus 10 3x equal to 0. Okay. So here you will write given equation is 10x plus 10 2x 10 3x. Write it 10x plus 2x. Can you write? 3x can be written as x plus 2x. Okay. Now it is 10x plus 10 2x. Use the formula 10a plus b. 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a into 10b. Use this. 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a into 10b equal to 0. Okay. Now see, here you take 10x plus 10 2x as a common. Can you take common? So if you take common, here what will come? 1 प्लस ये पार्ट कॉमन हो गया आपका पूरा. तो 1 बाई का बचा 1 माइनस 10x इंटू 10 2x ब्रैकेट 1 इक्वल टू 0. So we take once this equal to 0 and then this equal to 0, and from there we will try to find the solutions, equations 1. So we take first taking 10x plus 10 2x equal to 0. We will try to convert this plus into minus, into multiplication. So how this plus will be converted into multiplication? Is there any formula for 10c plus 10d? No. So better one thing, you can convert this into sine and cos, or you can take another way. Can you write it minus 2x? Okay, and this can be written as 10 minus 2x. 10 minus theta is minus 10 theta. So minus 10 2x can be written as 10 minus 2x. So now it is coming of the type 10 theta equal to 10 alpha type का हो गया है. 10 theta equal to 10 alpha, then theta equal to n pi plus alpha. Is not it? This is theta, this is alpha. 10 theta equal to 10 alpha. Then theta equal to n pi plus alpha. Plus alpha means minus 2x. Okay. Now this is minus, so this will come this side. 3x equal to n pi. So x equal to n pi by 3. So x equal to n pi by 3 is our one answer. You keep it as equation number 2. Then after you write again taking this part, take 0. 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 10x into 10 2x equal to 0. Okay, take cross multiplication. LCM will be this much and it will go to that side, multiply with 0 and become 0. So what will be here? 1 minus 10x into 10 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So you will get finally 10x into 10 2x equal to 2. We are getting 10x into 10 2x equal to 2. Now 10x 10 2x 10 2x को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 10 2 थीटा क्या होता है? 2 10 थीटा बाई 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर थीटा. 10 2 थीटा का क्या होता है? 2 10 थीटा बाई 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर थीटा. साइन 2 थीटा का क्या होता है? कॉस 2 थीटा का क्या होता है? कॉस 2 थीटा को हम लोग लिखते हैं ना कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो वहां से कॉस 2x इक्वल टू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाई कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. तो फिर ऊपर नीचे डिवाइड करते हैं कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा से. तो 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर थीटा इन केस ऑफ कॉस. इन प्लेस ऑफ साइन थोड़ा सा देखिए, साइन 2x इक्वल टू होता है ना 2 साइन x इंटू कॉस एक्स, और नीचे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स कर लीजिए इसको. तो कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स. अब कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स से ऊपर नीचे डिवाइड कर लेते हैं तो 2 10x बाई 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स ये आता है. तो उसी तरह से 10 2x होगा आपका 2 10x बाई इसमें माइनस होगा 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स. समझे? देखिए ये आपका फॉर्मूला हो गया. cos 2x इक्वल टू होता है 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स. ठीक है. साइन एक्स इक्वल टू होता है 2 10x बाई 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स. एंड 10 2x इक्वल टू 2 10x बाई 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स. माइनस होता है इसमें, है ना. इक्वल टू इधर 2 कर लीजिए. समझ गए? 10 2x कैन बी रिटन एज 2 10x बाई 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर एक्स इक्वल टू 2. Now take cross multiplication. 2 10 square x and this side 2 minus 2 10 square x. So 4 10 square x equal to 2. So 10 square x equal to 1 by 2. 10x equal to 1 by 2 root So plus minus 1 by root 2, is not it? Tan square x equal to 1 by 2, tan x equal to 1 by 2 root means plus minus 1 by root 2. Now see here, some steps are important. So we have got tan x equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay, taking tan x equal to 1 by root 2 means once we are taking the positive one, tan x equal to plus 1 by root 2, or you can write, let us take positive sign, so plus 1 by root 2. Now we have to write here tan alpha such that tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. एक ऐसा इधर एंगल लेना है जिसका tan लेने से 1 by root 2 हो, तो रूट 1 by root 2 कोई स्टैंडर्ड एंगल नहीं है जिसका tan 1 by root 2 हो. tan 30 डिग्री 1 by root 3, 45 डिग्री 1, 60 डिग्री 1 by root 3, ये सब वैल्यू जाता है, 1 by root 2 तो आएगा नहीं. तो वी राइट इन दिस वे tan alpha. We have assumed, you can write in bracket, it is considered. Let tan alpha, alpha is any angle, not standard angle, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree it is not, maybe 35 degree, 36 degree, 43 degree, 44 degree, like that. So we have taken, suppose tan alpha is 1 by root 2. Okay, so what will be x? Tan theta equal to tan alpha, then theta equal to n pi plus alpha. So this is one answer, this is one answer, this is one answer. Then after taking tan x equal to minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, we have taken tan alpha for 1 by root 2. So minus tan alpha, this can be written as tan minus alpha, tan minus theta minus tan theta होता है ना, तो minus tan alpha को हम लोग tan minus alpha लिख लिए. Now again it is of the type tan theta equal to tan alpha, so theta equal to n pi plus alpha, in place of alpha minus alpha, so we are getting n pi माइनस अल्फा. टेक इट, ये 2 था ना, इसको 3 कर लीजिए और इसको आप 4 कर लीजिए. ठीक है, लिखेगा मतलब therefore सॉल्यूशंस आर. क्या क्या सॉल्यूशंस हुआ बोलिए. x का एक वैल्यू आया n पाई बाई 3, दूसरा वैल्यू आया n पाई प्लस अल्फा, तीसरा वैल्यू हुआ n पाई माइनस अल्फा, है ना. ऐसा करके सबको हम लोग लिखेंगे where tan alpha is 1 by root 2 and n is any integer. In this way we can solve trigonometrical equations. Okay, in the next video we solve 2 more problems. 2 कम से कम और बना लेंगे अलग टाइप का. ये एक अपना अलग टाइप का था. We choose 2 new type of problems and try to solve. So go on solving trigonometrical equation. In this video this much. Thank you for watching.